Welcome to Plantation Inn Florida Hotel. Regardless if you are traveling for pleasure or business, we have several accommodations that will meet your needs. Centrally located in the heart of all famous shopping destinations, just 10 minutes to the famous Sawgrass Mills Mall, Broward Mall and Florida's biggest swap shop, and the Circus. No matter what you choose to during the day, a clean, comfortable room awaits you every night when you stay with us. We are 10 minutes to Fort Lauderdale International Airport, downtown, and 7 miles to the beaches, located adjacent to the Plantation General Hospital.
So why not give us a try? When you combine our clean, comfortable rooms with the array of amenities and the proximity of our hotel to the things that matter most, everything adds up to a perfect experience.
www.plantationinfortlauderdale.com